You're gonna love this foolproof method for butter poaching fish because it stays so juicy and tender, you really can't mess it up. I add white wine, a few cloves of garlic, and fresh thyme to the butter for more flavor. Then I like to add in some veggies. Once they're tender, I transfer them to a pan and let them finish in the oven so they can get a little crisp. Now add the fish fillets to the pan and make sure you season each one really well with salt and pepper. This method works with any kind of firm white fish. This is barramundi, but really any fish works as long as it's not too delicate. Now the key here is to keep the butter just below a simmer so it doesn't break. You want to make sure you keep an eye on it at all times. The fish is done when it's opaque throughout, and if you have some thicker fillets, you can always flip them over very gently so they cook on the other side. Plate the fish over top of the veggies and then spoon that butter sauce all over the top. Finish with some flaky sea salt and parsley and serve it with a few wedges of lemon. Ugh, so good.